Allez, 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 allez. Bonjour. Ça va? Okay, as you can see, I am there. My name, je m'appelle Monsieur Gauthier Moulongo. Okay. Today we're going to talk about this wonderful topic. Is question word. We're going to dig deep because I don't want to have any problem with you guys when you come concerning questions. We'll be unpacking in this wonderful journey together. And I don't want you to have any problem when I ask you questions, when you do reading comprehension, when you do listening comprehension, or they give you a word. Because remember, you guys, you're going to sit for an examination, and I won't be there to read for you questions. You must be able to understand. Are we together? So now we're going to talk about question words. These ones, they are going to help you to understand the questions. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a number of these question words. We're going to try to translate them from French into English and vice versa. So, for example, here we have this question word, qui est? Qui est? It stand for Here stand for who is it? But you see at the end we have a question mark. Huh? Very important. Let me put it closer to this question mark. Here stand for who is it? Okay. Now you must understand that, and it's the way. So don't get confused when you come across yes. For example, someone knock at the door. Let's do this. Then you will respond, yes. You ask a question. And the person going to say, je suis le facteur. Je suis Patrick. Je sais, oh, someone can say, c'est Patrick. Qui est-ce? C'est Gauthier. C'est Gauthier. Okay, etc., etc. Now let's move forward. We have this other question word, which is où. When you see "ou" in front of any question, you must know it stands for where. So this is it. This is the way. "Où" stand for where. Let me ask you. Let's write something together here, and then I'm going to say I duplicate it. Don't worry. I say "où." Attention, be careful. That "ou" must have something on top. It's not like it's supposed to be like this. Ou. Où est, small letter, où est la télévision? Où est où est la télévision? Où est la télévision? Don't forget to put to make it to put the question mark at the end, but there is a question mark for me already, so I don't need to worry. Où est la télévision? So this question mark stands for where, and you can translate this into where is the television or where is the TV, short. Okay, so are we together? We all understand what this question means. Question mark, où. Okay, question word, où. Où est la télévision? Où est Patrick? Où est papa? Où est le téléphone? Où est Little Academy? Little Academy est à Mchambanyati. Okay, allez, on continue. They give you more question mark, question word here. Où est? Where is? Are we together? Où est stand for where is. So we're going to write it down. Where is? Okay, where is? Où est-il? Où est-il stand for where it is. Où est-il? Where he is. Where he is. Where he is. It's a question. Où est-il? Where he is. And that one, where is. Are we together, les élèves? Let's continue. Où sont-ils? Où sont-ils stand for where are they? Where are they? Then we say where are they? Où sont-ils? Where are they? On continue. Où est-elle? Now, les élèves, you must understand one thing. In French, we have il and elle. When you see elle, you must know that this is feminine. Okay, you must know when you see elle, this is feminine. Okay. Où est-il? It's a boy, masculine. Où est-elle? Feminine. So this one, it must be in you. It shouldn't go away from you. You must understand this. It's the way it is. So for us to go together, to move together, we must understand il stand for masculine, elle for feminine. Okay. Où est-elle? Où est-elle is going to be where. Can you say where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Okay. Don't forget to put a question mark at the end everywhere because we are dealing with questions here. So, and then I don't want you to have any problem when it comes to this. Okay. Now, où sont-elles? It's just the same, but you must understand the context in order for you to know that they're asking about masculine boys or girls. Where are they? Okay, it's just the same. Where are they? Où est-elle? The third person in plural. Hein? Où est-elle? This they stand for you can see that we have they here. So this one is almost the same like that one because it's in plural. And how do you know that it's in plural? Because of that S at the end. Even this one, there is S. So we're going to differentiate the two, but this one you must understand it in the context. For example, can I give you an example? Let's say Christine. Christine is a girl. Et Pauline sont dans la maison. Then when I'm asking, I want to know where they are, I'm going to say, où sont-elles? Okay, où sont-elles? It means where are they or where they are. Okay, let's continue. We have a very powerful question word here, combien. It's a common question word. We always use it, especially when we can buy something. Combien? Combien? Combien is how many or how much? How much? How many or how much? So you must understand this question word in this but when you say how many is when you are counting. Automatically when they ask you combien, you must start counting. Are we together? Combien des élèves y a-t-il dans la classe? That is an example. Combien stands for how many. Let's move forward. We have another question word which is quand. Quand stands for when. Quand. Tu arrives quand à la maison? Quand is when. This, when they ask you quand, you start thinking about the time, you start thinking about time, you think about what? Again, day, You think about what? Year, month, etc., etc. For example, quand est-ce que tu es né? When were you born? Quand est-ce que tu es né? Okay, so you understand when. Quand is when. On continue. We have another question word down here is quoi. Quoi stand for what? What? Okay. What? That quand. Pourquoi? When they ask you the question if pourquoi, you must be able to answer this question with parce que. Pourquoi stand for why. Quite a difficult question, especially in composition, when we are doing composition. Okay, why? Pourquoi stand for why. Pourquoi? 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 Let me reduce it so that we can put a sentence there. Pourquoi tu pourquoi tu ne parles pas? Pourquoi tu ne parles pas? It's a question word, it's a question, so automatically you must put the question. Pourquoi tu ne parles pas? It means why you don't speak. Why don't you speak? Pourquoi tu ne parles pas? So you can see this is the meaning of pourquoi, why. Vrai ou faux is also another question, and this is a common question. We say vrai ou faux stand for true or false. Okay? Vrai ou faux? True or false? Vrai ou faux? Don't forget to put it a question. Vrai ou faux? True or false? Est-il vrai? Est-il vrai? Stand for. Est-il vrai? Est-il vrai? It stand for. Est-il vrai? Stand for. Is that true? That true? Okay. Est-il vrai? Is that true? Is that true? Don't forget to put a question mark at the end. Comment? Now, les élèves, when we say comment, it stands for how. How. When we say comment tu t'appelles, it's another way. I'm going to explain to you about this, but you must know comment stand for how. How. Comment est-ce que tu es arrivé ici? How did you arrive here? Comment est-ce que comment est-ce que you can say comment and then you use est-ce que sometimes. But let's say when something happened and then you didn't expect it to happen, you say comment? Comment? Did he do that? Comment? How? Okay. Comment arriver à Paris? For example, comment arriver à Paris? Let's write that one. I like it. Comment arriver à Paris? How to arrive in Paris. Comment arriver à Paris? Let us reduce it a little bit so that we can write comment. Let's go. Comment aller à Paris? Comment aller à Paris? Par exemple, how do you go to Paris? Comment aller à Paris? So, let's move forward. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est stand for what is this? Okay. What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or that? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une pomme. What the meaning of pomme? It's an apple. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est la maison. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So you must know what qu'est-ce que c'est. What is this? Don't forget to put a question mark. Hein? C'est très important à la fin. Ok, on continue. Quel, quel stand for which or what? Okay. For example, quel âge as-tu? How old are you? We can say about which. This one stands for which or what. Quelle maison? Quel appartement? Which house? Which apartment? Quelle voiture? Which car? Okay, maybe if you are asked to choose among two things, you are going to say quel enfant? Which child? Quel masque? For example, during this time, you can talk about mask because we are using mask for because of COVID. You say quel masque? Okay. Quel magasin? Which shop? Quel enfant? Which child? Quelle école? Little Academy. Quelle école? Little Academy. Okay. Which school? That's it. That's what I say. Quelle école? Quel temps fait-il? This is a common question. Quel temps fait-il? So you shouldn't get confused when you come across such question. Quel temps fait-il? What? How is the weather? How is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Quel, quel temps fait-il? So, quel temps fait-il? You can see. So then, quel temps fait-il stand for um, what is the weather? For example, quel temps fait-il? That is a common. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud. Il fait froid. So that is the way you're going to respond to this type of question. Okay. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Il est 10 heures. Il est 11 heures. Il est 12 heures. Il est 13 heures, etc., etc. We have more questions here. Let's go down together. Quand est-ce que tu vas au lit? Quand est-ce que tu vas au lit? Is when do you go to bed? Quand est-ce que tu vas au lit? When do you go to bed? Quand est-ce que tu vas au lit? The reason I'm giving you this, les élèves, I don't want you to have any problem when it comes to when we start dealing with a lot of questions. We'll be dealing with questions like reading comprehension, listening comprehension. I'll be giving you questions you must be able to answer. Combien d'élèves? Now I'm going to ask you what the meaning of combien. Combien is how many. Élève stand for student. Okay. Combien d'élèves? Then how many students? Okay. Combien ça coûte? How much? Combien ça coûte? Stand for how much. Ça coûte combien? It's one and the same thing. Ça coûte combien is how much. Comment ça va? Oh, this one you know it. Comment ça va? This one I don't even want to write it down because all you know it. Okay. Now, comment tu t'appelles? It's a question word also, you know, comment tu t'appelles? And then we've been talking about comment tu t'appelles. What is your name? Comment ça va is how are you? Thomas, tu t'appelles? What is your name? De quelle couleur? Which color? Now we've already almost covered everything, les élèves. Thank you very much. De quelle couleur? Which color? And de quelle nationalité? Is which nationality? And so on and so forth. Merci beaucoup, les élèves. We're going to continue next time. Au revoir.